Hello, welcome to Learning Math from Scratch. This is our third series on basic math foundation. Today's topic is basic operation in arithmetic. Before you can solve any math problem, big or small, you need to master the four basic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the building blocks of all mathematics, used in school, business, and everyday life. In this video, I will break down in the simplest way possible with clear examples anyone can understand. Let's get started and make math easier. Let's go. What are basic operations? In mathematics, basic operations are the four most common and essential ways of working with numbers. These include addition, and the sign is plus. Then we have subtraction, the symbol is a dash. Then we have multiplication, the symbol is like a star. Then we have division, the symbol is like a dash with a dot on both ends, on both sides, or you can use a forward slash. So these are the foundation of all calculations in arithmetics, algebra, and even advanced math. Let's look at addition. What is addition? Addition is putting numbers together to get a total or sum. It is putting numbers together to get a total or a sum. Now, the symbol for addition, as you all know, is given as a plus. Now, we have keywords, or I would say we have another word we use for addition. Now, the keywords that we use to represent addition can be given as total. We can use sum. We can use increase, and we can use add more. So all these words can represent addition. Examples. Now, for example, if we're asked to add, for example, let's say examples, we're asked to add 4 plus 3. Now, how do we add? We count the first number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. We count 3, 1, 2, 3. What next? We add all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is how we add numbers. For example, we can have, let's say we have 5 plus 8. Again, we count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we count 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to add, we combine all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now, one thing is very important right here. If you add a number to 0, it gives you that number. For example, 10 plus 0 gives us 10. 20 plus 0 gives us 20. So adding 0 to a number gives you that number. And again, if you look at our previous videos, addition is commutative and also additions are associative. Next is subtraction. What it means? Now, subtraction means taking away one number from another. Taking away one number from another. Before I look at examples, the symbol we use for subtraction is a dash. It's called a minus. We have other words we can use to denote subtraction. And these words are, we have difference, we have decrease, we have take away, we have minus, and we have less than. So these words are keywords we use to denote subtraction. Now remember that subtraction means to take away a number from another. For example, if I have 9 minus 4, this means that I'm to subtract or take away the smaller number from this number. So I'll count 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus or subtraction means that I will take away 4 from 9. So this is 9. So I will take away 4. So this is, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I have left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 gives us 5. Let's look at a next example. If I have, for example, 5 minus 2, again, it means that we have to take away the second digit from the first digit. So what we do is that we count the first digits. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will take away 2 from 5. So 1, 2. So what I have left is 1, 2, 3. So 5 subtract or 5 minus 2 gives us 3. Again, you must note that if we are subtracting 0 from any number, it gives us that number. So for example, 7 minus 0 is 7. 10 minus 0 is 10. At this point, you must note that subtraction is not commutative and subtraction is not associative. If you missed that video, you can click on the link above to watch the video on commutative and associative. Our next basic operation is multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. I will explain that in an example. Just remember that multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. The symbol we use for multiplication is like a star. When you are using your laptop or computer, you can use like an asterisk, or we can use a dot. So these are the symbols we use for multiplication. You can use a star or an asterisk, or we can use a dot. These are the symbols we use for multiplication. Now, we have keywords that we can use to represent or to imply multiplication. And these words are times, we have product, we have multiply, and we have groups of. So all these are the keywords we use when we are implying multiplication. Now let's look at an example. Examples. Now, for example, what is 4 multiplied by 2? Now, to do this is very easy. We can add 4 2 times, or we can add 2 4 times. So let's add 4 2 times. So I'll count 4 twice. So 4 times 2, I will count 4 twice. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. So 4 times 2, this is 4 into 2 places. Then we will add it up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore, 4 times 2 is 8. Let's look at our next example. Let's say I have, 7 times 1. It means that I will count 7 just once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. Let's look at, let's say we have 5 times 3. For example, again, remember, multiplication is about repeated addition. You either count 5 3 times, or you count 3 5 times. This time, let's count 3 5 times. So I'll have 1, 2, 3. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. So 5 times 3. In this case, I'm counting 3 5 times. So what next? We'll add all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now, I want us to note that multiplications are commutative and also they are associative. Again, multiplications are commutative and they are also associative. Our next basic operation is division. What is division? Division means splitting a number into equal parts. Division means splitting a number into equal parts. The symbols we use for divisions are a dash with 2 dots above and below, and also we can use a forward slash. So these are the 2 symbols we use for divisions. The keywords that can be used to imply divisions are: we have divide, we have shared equally, we have par, we have ratio, and we have quotient. And we have quotient. So these are the keywords we use to represent division. Now let's look at some examples. Examples. Now remember that division is splitting a number into equal parts. Now the number we always split is the first number. So for example, if I'm giving 12 divided by 3, remember the number we split is the first number. So I'll count 12. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divide by 3. So I will split this number into 3 equal parts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that 12 divided by 3 is 4. Again, I have 15 divided by 5. So again, I will split the first digits into 5 equal parts. So I'll count 15. So I'll count 15. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. So it means that 15 divided by 5 is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 3. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Let's look at one more example. So the next example is to divide 9 by 3. So I will split 9 into 3 equal parts. So first, let's count 9. So I have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll count 3 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3 is 1. We have 1, 2, 3. That's 2. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. So it means that 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. Also, please, you must note that if we have 0, for example, divided by a number, for example, 7, it gives us 0. So 0 divided by 10 gives us 0. So if we are dividing a number by 0, it is 0. Now, if 0 is the second digit, let's say for example we have 10 divided by 0. In this case, it is not allowed. Not allowed. Okay, so 0 divided by 7 is 0, but 7 divided by 0 is not allowed. We cannot divide a number by 0. In most math theories, it is called undefined. So we don't divide a number by 0, but 0 divided by any number gives us what? 0. Now, please, you must note that division is not commutative. Division is not associative. Division is not commutative. Division is not associative. And again, division by 0 is undefined. That is what I was trying to show us right here. Division by 0 is undefined. Division by 0 is undefined. Before I wrap up, I would like to explain why basic operations are important. Basic operations are important for 3 key reasons. 1, they are the foundation of all math topics, be it fractions, algebra, and lots more. 2, basic operations are used in daily life. For example, in budgeting, measuring, shopping, time, and lots more. Number 3, they are critical for solving equations, word problems, and data. So if this video helped clear things up, give it a like. It tells YouTube that it is helpful lesson for students just like you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. More parts are coming to build your math skills one step at a time. Drop your answer to this question in the comments below. What is 20 divided by 5?